Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great.
So guys, smooth still again. So for today's video guys is mag-change oil tayo. Yan. Yan guys, no? Change oil tayo guys, no? Tanggalin na natin yung cap. Guys, nagka-problema tayo guys. Yung cap natin nabali. Oh no! Yan, guys. So, nabali yung cap natin guys. Buti na lang guys, nakontak ko si Rosimec guys at nabigyan tayo ng ng bagong cap. So, salamat kay Rosimec guys, no. Subscribe niyo si Rosimec PH guys. At dinalhan niya ako ng another cap. Oil cap ng motor natin. Grabe guys. So, yun na siya guys. So, yung natin, yung bagong oil cap. So nagkamali ako sa pagpihit guys. So pag nag-change oil kayo guys, ingat din kayo sa pagpihit kasi ang tendency mababali yung mo, kasi pundido lang talaga to siya guys, hindi siya yung strong talaga. So dapat dahan-dahan lang yung pagpihit. So yun guys, change oil na natin guys. Konting problema lang naman at nasusolusyonan. Buti na lang nandyan si Rosimec. Yun guys, kita kits, drain ko na din yung gear oil. So guys, ito yung gagamitin nating oil guys, Shell Advance na may kasama ng scooter na gear oil. Yan. Pero 120 ml lang yung gear oil nito guys. So nagdagdag ako ng oil to, Kobe na gear oil. Dagdagan lang natin ng mga 30 ml para maging 150 ml. Okay, let's go. Ano naman nilalagay natin guys, yung gear oil na naman guys, no. So drain muna natin ito guys. Yan, dyan tayo. Yan na next dito sa ilalim. Okay, let's go. Yo, so dahil wala tayong 150 ml, ito na lang 120 ml lang ilalagay natin. Sabi kasi ni Rosimec okay lang daw to. So let's go.